All right, first graders, we have made it to the end of our week. We only have 2 more numbers to do today. We're going to do numbers 9 and 10, and then we will have reviewed all of the numbers for the week. So, a 9 looks like this. A circle and a line. That makes a 9. So I go around a circle and a line. That makes a 9. Keep going. A circle and a line. That makes a 9. And we can keep doing more of those. It's like a circle and a line. That makes a 9. So go ahead and finish your 9s on that row. And those look good, boys and girls. Good job with your 9s. Okay, so next we are going to circle the 9s that we see. So yes, no, no, yep, no, no, yes, yes, no, no, yes, no. Now we're going to make 9 on the 10 frame. And I want you to think about this one because we have used almost every box on the 10 frame so far. So if I'm making 9, I wonder how many of these boxes are going to be left. So let's try it. We know we don't have to count the top because if the top is full, how many is that? Yep, it's 5. So now we're going to continue. Keep going. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we only have 1 box left. So I wonder if the pencils are going to be the same. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And look, it's the same. There's only 1 left. So that matches the 10 frame. Let's try this one. The number that comes before is 8. And the number that comes after is 10. Now we're going to spell the number name. N-I-N-E. Very good, boys and girls. All right, so we're going to turn the paper over. And we're going to do our last number, which is 10. So let's try writing 10. We have 1 and a 0. Let's try writing those. 1 and a 0. 1 and a 0. 1, 0. 1, 0. Now we're going to circle the number 10s. Nope. Nope. Yes. And no. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. And no. Now we're going to write our dots on the 10 frame. So if it's called a 10 frame, how many dots do you think are going to be in the 10 frame? All the boxes. Good job. If I have 5 on top and 5 on the bottom, that's going to equal 10. And then I'm going to circle all of the pencils. Let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So all of the pencils are circled, just like all of the boxes are full. Now let's think. What number comes before 10? 9. We just did that one. What comes after 10? 11. All right, and then we're going to write the word 10. T-E-N. Great job, boys and girls. You did wonderful this week with your math work. Please turn this into your teacher and do what she wants you to do next.